Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video guys, I'm gonna share to you the 10 different kinds of nest. First move, we call it behind the back double flip nest. Second move, we call it around the word nest. Third move, we call it around the word back nest. Fourth move, we call it back-to-back nest. Fifth move, we call it around the word bump nest. Sixth move, we call it exchange den and nest. Seventh move, we call it shadow pass nest. Eighth move, we call it knee bump nest. Ninth move, we call it around the word double bump nest. And last but not the least, around the word nest with a battle on the other hand. If you like this video guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching guys.
Walking